Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Farel Davadiandra, a student in class 11 of the Mechanical Engineering major. It is my pleasure to present the proposal on compressor engine maintenance. The background of this proposal stems from the critical role of machine tools in the industrial world. A compressor is a vital piece of equipment that requires proper maintenance to ensure stable performance and prevent frequent breakdowns that can disrupt production. This project aims to address the purpose of the compressor machine maintenance activity, which is to optimize the machine's performance, ensuring stable air pressure output and reliability. By implementing this, I can enhance my technical skill in machine upkeep, reduce long-term operational costs for the workshop, and foster a culture of safety and precision, which are core values in mechanical engineering. I am confident that this proposal offers significant benefit for both my learning experience and the workshop efficiency. It is an investment in my future competence. Well, thank you for your time and consideration. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.